Yo, I'm telling you, I'm speaking from experience. Like real life, every single day, my subscribers is growing and growing and growing and growing. And that's because I'm being super consistent. You make the time to grow your channel. That's the only way it'll happen. If you make the time, you put in the work and you're consistent. The great thing about YouTube is that it's not so algorithm based. The more you're consistent, the more your videos will be popped up and to suggest the content column. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're now tuned in, hi, hello, my name is Bree. This video is gonna be about how I gained 100 subscribers within 31 days. Once again, this video is gonna be about how I gained 100 subscribers within 31 days. I'm gonna tell you how to do it, how I did it. I just give you all the juice, all the sauce. I'm not gonna make this lag. I'm not gonna drag this out. I'm not gonna withhold any information. I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can reach 100 subscribers within 31 days. Today's a new month, today's February. Last month I did over 100 subscribers within 31 days. And how I did that, first and foremost, you wanna be consistent. So you wanna post weekly, long form videos on YouTube. So I was doing 2 to 3 videos a week. So think about it, that's like 3 videos times 4 in a month. In addition to posting videos on my YouTube channel, I was posting YouTube shorts. Per video, I was doing at least 2 to 4 shorts. So let's say you post on Monday, you post on Wednesday, you post on Friday. If I'm posting a video on Monday, I'm posting 2 to 3 shorts per that video on Monday, and I'll stretch it out during the week. So if I'm not posting on Tuesday, I'll double upload 2 shorts within that day that I'm not posting like a long form video. But the point is just to be consistent. So that's number 1, be consistent. If you're gonna post weekly, start with 1 video a week, 2 video, and then make your way to 3 and 4. And then again, post shorts per video. Shorts are going now. Shorts are quick, concise. People have short attention spans, and I've really grown my following from shorts, being consistent, and shorts, YouTube shorts rather. Me personally, it's easier for me to take a long video and make it shorter. With the YouTube shorts, you want to make them quick, concise, entertaining, or informative. My videos are mostly entertaining. I'm a DJ, so most of my videos were either vlogs or videos of my gigs. So people dancing, spending time with my family, like a funny moment, like these things are short, concise. You want a quick, catchy title, something that'll grab people's attention and that goes with the video. And then you want to use sounds that's trending or sounds that go with your shorts. So for example, if I'm doing, like I did a Thanksgiving vlog with my family in Atlanta, that short went crazy. I just did a video of my plate and my aunt who cooked the food, and I did the Thanksgiving song, the popular Thanksgiving song, the beans, greens, tomatoes. That went crazy. Like I said, I do my gigs, a lot of my gigs, when people are dancing, the motion, like I noticed that those do very well. So those with the trending song or a popular song that goes with it, with the catchy title, those will take off. So if you're into, whatever you're into, whether it's cooking, whether it's cars, start with long form and then choose the most popular parts of your video / the highlights of your video. Like, oh, okay, well, I am a mechanic. Today I worked on a Lamborghini. That's a luxury car, that's a popular car. You could get some B-roll of that within the video, the long form video. Get a video of you repairing it or you driving it behind the wheel, something like that. That'll be catchy. Or like an interesting fact of a Lamborghini with some like trending videos, sportsy type of videos, audio. Rather, that'll go with the shorts and they will take off. So number 1, be consistent. 2, long form videos. Because some people prefer shorts and some people prefer long form. I consume both. When I'm on YouTube, sometimes I just, if I want to go, I'll just quickly watch some shorts. If I'm at home, I'll sit down and watch like a long form video if it's entertaining, if it's informative. So keep your videos entertaining, long form videos entertaining and informative. whatever your niche is. Like I said, if it's cooking, if it's cars, if it's traveling, if it's a hobby, if it's your occupation, just take that and make that long form and be consistent per week. Per week, I did 2 to 3 times a week last month. And in addition to those videos, I did shorts, which was 2, minimum 1 to 3, but ideally 2 to 4 per video. You want to be strategic when you post as well. If there's trends, you want to maybe incorporate trendy titles for your videos, but make sure that the titles match the content. Trendy songs go. You want to make the videos engaging, the long form videos engaging as well, so people want to come back to your channel and want to subscribe. Clearly, like with this video, I keep saying like, hey, if you're new, like, comment, and subscribe. You want to encourage your audience to stay tuned so they can follow your journey, so they can be a part of what you have going, your brand, your niche. Mine is like mostly music, mostly DJing, a lot of vlogs, a lot of fun stuff, and everything else in between. You want to keep them engaged, have them comment, or something that I like to do is maybe ask a question in either the title of your long form video or in the shorts, so that people could either think, like you ask like thought-provoking questions like, oh, did you know that this, or what is your favorite food to eat for Thanksgiving? And then maybe people will comment, and that'll boost your engagement. The more people comment, you comment back, rhythm is gonna push your video further. And that's just what I've noticed with my videos. So yes, consistency with the long form videos, and then you wanna post your shorts per video, or you can strictly just do shorts. Your channel could definitely grow from shorts. My channel has been growing a lot from shorts. The third thing I would say with the growth is, yeah, be strategic. Number 3, be strategic. If you know that it is the winter, maybe post your content around the winter time. Oh, like it's snowing outside, I'm spending time with my family, I'm going to cook a meal that's gonna keep you cozy in this weather. Then you title that like warm meal for the winter, because it's the winter time, or what's gonna be searchable since it's winter, like, oh, snowstorm, winter, how to stay warm. YouTube will push your video further because it's close to what people may be searching at the moment. That's what I do with a lot of my videos. I strategize what videos will get pushed further based off of the time frame or things that's happening in the world. Like me personally, when I do my DJ content, I'm pushing videos that's related to what's popular now. So right now, a lot of, if you're Caribbean or not, West Indian, right now it's like the beginning of the year, so we're leading into carnival season. So Trinidad Carnival is coming up. A lot of people want to listen to the new music. My job is to stay on top of the new music, so I'm pushing a lot of soca content because people are going to be searching 2025 soca, new soca artists from Trinidad, soca artists from different parts of the Caribbean, and I'm putting that in, I'm incorporating that into my content that I'm pushing. So just be strategic with what you post. If you're a sneakerhead, you know that there's a sneaker convention happening near you. You wanna title your videos around that. You wanna push content around that. If there's a sneaker convention in New York, you might wanna title that or put that in your hashtags. That's important as well. Fourth thing, 3 would be strategic, and 4 would be your hashtags. You wanna make sure your hashtags are geared towards, yes, the content that you are pushing, but maybe some trends or some searchable things that people may be searching at the moment. So maybe like ChatGPT it, or again, just being aware of the news, like, oh, there's a sneaker convention happening in New York City, or there's a sneaker convention happening in Philly. Let me go book a trip for the weekend to Philadelphia and focus my title around that convention. And then people naturally, because let's say if it's a popular sneaker brand or there's sneaker influencers that's already out there pushing content around that convention in Philly, your video would get pushed as well because it's related to what's happening at that moment, if that makes sense. So 1, be consistent. 2, YouTube shorts. 3, be strategic, plan out your content. Okay, it's February, perfect example. You can do a lot of Valentine's Day content as Valentine's Day is coming up. So if you're a cook, let's make push some content, some reels and some shorts geared towards sweet treats, chocolate, dinner for your loved ones, Valentine's Day ideas for in the house, Valentine's Day ideas or restaurants to go to as a cook, suggestions. That will definitely go crazy. I know for a fact on TikTok that'll go crazy, but on YouTube Shorts, that will definitely be pushed. That's just as a cook. These are all ideas as a cook. And then you would do your thumbnail. Next thing would be catchy thumbnails. Some thumbnails for me are like a hit or miss. I like to do both. Sometimes I'll go the extra mile and make like these appealing, extravagant thumbnails. Sometimes those don't even do that well. Sometimes it'll just be like a screenshot or like a moment from my video that will get pushed further than a thumbnail that I might have taken like 5 to 10 minutes to create. So I kind of do both. I would advise you to make engaging thumbnails because that'll draw people to your channel, but that's just me personally. But that definitely is something that will catch my eye as something that somebody that consumes content on YouTube. I like engaging titles, at least titles or thumbnails that match with your titles. If you're a producer, start making love beats. Create content around that, whether it's long form, short form, you producing a beat for your girlfriend or your partner, you producing love songs for your friends and their spouses. If you're a teacher, maybe videos of you making Valentine's Day cards for your students or lessons based off of Romeo and Juliet, and you post those in your shorts and in your long form videos. That's gonna get pushed because people are searching Valentine's Day things to do because of it's February, Valentine's Day things to eat, places to go with your loved ones, just anything that's searchable for hearts, love. These are hashtags and things that you want to push in your video. That's what I mean by being strategic. That's just how my mind works, and that's the content that I prioritize, because I am posting different sorts of content on my channel, but it's mostly like music, DJing, and like I said, vlogs and how-to videos like this. These things will get pushed. So for example, my title will be something along the lines of I gained 100+ subscribers within 31 days. And this is how I did it. You're gonna wanna tune in because you wanna boost your subscribers. You wanna make money on YouTube. You wanna get monetized. You wanna hit that 4K. You wanna hit that 3K. I'm on the road to 1K as well. I appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe and share. But more importantly, just be consistent. This is your brand. Whatever you're trying to build, it'll only grow if you take the time to do the things that I suggested you do and you put in the work. It all stems from you just being consistent, putting in the work. You put in the work, you're gonna get those subscribers. You're gonna get the 50, you're gonna get the 20, you're gonna get the 75 and the 100, like me. If you have any tips, leave them in the comments as to how you grew your channel. These are my 5 helpful tips. Once again, consistency, 2, YouTube Shorts, 3, strategize, 4, engaging thumbnails. Yeah, 4 to 5 tips. YouTube Shorts, long form YouTube videos, YouTube Shorts, strategize, hashtags, and thumbnails. So those 5 things, I promise you, if you're consistent, you're gonna get the 100 just like I did, and we're only going up from here. Everybody that's tuning in, that's been listening to my mixes, watching my mixes, listening to my mixes, watching my YouTube Shorts, that's continuously liking, sharing, and commenting, I appreciate y'all so much from the bottom of my heart. We're gonna keep going up. 2025, the year just started, month number 2. We're gonna do numbers this month. I feel it, I know it, and we're gonna get it. Once again, it's your girl DJ Bree. It's Bree. Stay tuned for more of these helpful tips, how-to videos, because you got this, I got this, we got this. Let's all grow. Let's all get this money 2025. I love y'all. Stay blessed. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Like me.